Welcome to Theme Park Life. My name's MJ and this is another cooking vlog. Today I'm going to be making what I'm hoping will be the best ever burgers I've made. Yeah, the best homemade burgers I will have ever made. That's what I'm hoping for, that's what I'm aiming for. So we're going all out. You know we're on that brioche flex in it. Obviously meant to say flex then. As you can see from the fact that I'm still wearing my coat, I've obviously just got home. So I've got some bacon. I'm going to start cooking. That's fine, that is. Dust that off. Dust that off. I'm going to start cooking quite soon because I'm going to be making like an onion jam type thing, a bacon and onion jam basically. So yeah, I'm going to be cooking down a load of onion because I've got 3 here, 1 red and 2 brown. Because obviously they when they cook down and caramelise, they shrink a lot. So I'm literally going to get that on in a minute. Cheers. So like I say, I'm starting off with the bacon. It's actually a bacon and licorice jam. So I've got some sweet licorice syrup here. Well, bacon, licorice and onion, right? So the bacon's just cooking off. I'm going to chop the onions now and then add them in. Okay, so the onions are now in. They're just cooking down. I've literally got them on the lowest setting. Because low and slow is how you get the natural caramelisation out of onions. And then once they're cooked down a bit more, I'm going to put just a little bit of licorice syrup in. I was going to split this up just in case the licorice flavour ruins it, because the licorice flavour in this is untested by me, but I'm sort of so confident it's going to work, to be honest. So yeah, flavour's going to be good. It's not the strongest stuff in the world, so fine really. This is out because I'm actually, once these are small enough, I'm going to move them into the smaller pan because I want to cook the actual burgers themselves in this pan. Speaking of, I've got the bacon over there. The bacon's also going in the burger. Yeah, just a bit of Aberdeen Angus beef mince. So I'm going to form these into 4 patties now because I think Claire and I are going to have 2 burgers each is the plan. Okay, onions are coming along nicely. As you'll see over here, we've got the American cheese slices. I've got some smoked cheddar. So because I like the simplicity and the creaminess of American cheese, like rubbery cheese slices on burgers, that is my preference. But I just want to add a tiny bit of like grated smoked cheese just on top of the little cheese squares, just to give it a slight extra depth and just a little bit of matureness flavour. But I'm not going to go too heavy on this, but yeah, we'll add a little bit. Okay, I'm about to mould the patties. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I'm definitely going to toast the bottom, but it's probably just going to be really lightly toasting the bottom and maybe just warming the tops through. I have sliced or chopped the tomato and lettuce, which we're going to have just a scratch of. I'm not sure if I showed the cheese squares yet. And then the onions, yeah, look like that. Onion and bacon jam, I suppose. So that's coming along nicely. Good. Okay, lower brioche toasted. Let's have a look at the... Did I show you the beef? I showed you the beef, right? I showed you the actual burger, right? Showed you the burgers already? Yeah, as you can see, the onions are looking great. Claire is on the way home now, so I can switch that to the other pan and put the licorice syrup in shortly. We've just got some frozen sweet potato fries there. Bun's waiting. I think I'm going to wrap them in foil to like steam the upper bun and heat it all up. I think that's what I'm going to do, and then that's going to make the cheese extra melty as well. I think I'll do that. Okay, I think we're just about ready for things to really kick off now. Pan is heating, getting hot, getting flaming fiery hot because we're going to slam them patties down. I'll try and fit, the problem is try and fit them all in, hopefully maintain the heat in the pan still. That's why I want to have it on full whack and be like smoking hot before I put the burgers in, and then we're going to squash them down with the things. The onions are looking good now, very dark and roasty, so they ain't got the licorice in. I'm going to put that in at the last minute. Right, sick. Right, I thought I'd better show an actual bit of cooking in this. That is, as you can see, smoking hot now. Don't really need oil, but I'm going to use just a splash. Nice. Right, here we go. room for them three at the moment, so I'll have to cook the other one separately. Tell you what, I might put the licorice in now. Just a hint, I think. Yeah, nice. Oh my god. Right, you get the idea with that. Lovely burger banter. Okay, cheese is melted. Let's assemble the rest of it, right? Bacon on. Onion bacon jam. Tomato. Right, then I went mayo, lettuce, mayo. And they look a little something like that. Actually, those ones are a bit more attractive, aren't they? Suck those ones up. I'm going to wrap them in foil still, just to warm them through for a few minutes. But yeah, pretty much like that. Claire's are slightly better presented than mine actually, because I wrapped hers bun down first. Oh my god. Smells amazing, to be honest. Yeah, don't even try and come at me and tell me that ain't appetizing. Does that look nice?
Wait, have you got mine?
No.
Oh. Looks like a Five Guys burger.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you've gone for the taken info from, what's it called? Black Bear?
Yeah, Black Bear with the onion jam vibes.
Mmm. Tasty.
Wow. Wow. Is that the best burger I've ever made, Claire?
What?
Is that the best burger I've ever made?
I've only had one bite yet.
Oh.
So far, yes.
So far, yes, she says. Wow. Yeah, this is phenomenal. Just proves that if you pay attention and care to every element, yeah, it's amazing. The beef is soft and juicy. The cheese is perfectly melted. It is like, mainly you're getting the American cheese through, but you are getting just a little bit of smokiness and a little bit of extra depth from that smoked cheddar. The onion bacon jam really runs through it nicely, brings out the savoury notes. Can't actually taste the licorice too much in there, to be honest. And then the tomato juicy, and then the mayo and lettuce creamy and a little bit of crunch. And of course you get a little bit of crunch from the bacon as well. And the bun is lovely and soft and rich and buttery. Yeah, this is totally off protocol for my diet, I have to say. But amazing. Claire, do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This was the best ever cheeseburger cooking vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, to be honest. I'll see you next time. Cheers.